In the 3 years, 9 months, 6 weeks, 3 days, and 5 hours since we've been together, I have never given you a reason to mistrust me, and I have never disrespected you. In the last 5 minutes, you have done both.
How am I disrespecting Lincoln?
The fact that you are unable to realize how you disrespected me proves that it makes no sense trying to explain to you.
See where it cause?
Me? You know what is unbelievable about you? It's your inability to accept responsibilities for your actions. You can't have your cake and eat it too. Sister, it's your bed. Lay in it.
Lincoln is serious?
As a judge, don't let my nerdish attitude give you the notion that I'm going to absorb and endorse your disrespectful behavior towards me, Lincoln Adolphus Coxstone. When you value our relationship enough to speak to me in a way befitting of 2 adults, then we can have a conversation. Until then, I suggest you stay in your space and I'll stay in mine. Brenda, as it is right now, you're a liability.
Johnny, yes. If I never one thing you say,
Or what? Brenda, don't mistake my quiet nature for weakness. You want all, you lose all. Oh, if he calls, give him this.
hello?
Hello, Brenda. And Dallas.
Yeah, dollars.
It's another phone up there.
Of course, you left your phone and it cost me a whole heap of problem. Because your woman find it and a one piece of something create up here. You know, I feel like me that... Yo, I feel like me that tell her because this caused me my...
You can't do that, man. I beg you, please. Don't do that. Just carry the phone because you can't talk to her.
Alright.
Yeah.
Dallas want to talk to you.
Speak to me.
Chinese.
I don't want to speak to you or her.
Chinese. Just hear me out, no, man.
When you come here, collect your phone from her. I will not have anyone taking me for a clown anymore. I'm done.
Chinese. I'm not taking for no call, man. Just hear me out.
She not taking a talk from you right now, Dallas.